I'm sorry. Socky Brown is usually not late.
I'm very sorry I'm late, fellas. There were major backups on the road.
What's with a sock puppet?
I think you mean, what's with the human? And to answer that, I don't really know. So, about this budget agenda. I think it'll work for all of us. I mean, we're on track for this year.
I need some more coffee.
So, about your department with the agenda.
Hello, Insane Asylum?
Hey, what are you doing? Let me go! Let me go! Hey! Let go of me! You can't do this! Stop! 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 Oh. No, you can't do this to me! Oh, man, stop messing with the lights.
So you're Socky Brown.
Yes, sir. Me and Sucky here. I am Sucky. What do you want? Why am I here?
I'm here to interrogate you.
Why do I need to be interrogated?
I need to talk to you about your little sock friend.
Well, what do you mean? I am a sock.
Look, man, you're not a sock puppet.
Of course I am. Huh? What kind of a sick joker are you?
Do I have to get tough with you?
Give me your worst, you overweight ninja.
Hold out your hand.
No. Unless you mean my left hand. Hey!
Say goodbye to your little friend.
No!
See? You're showing not a sock puppet.
Ah.
Yeah!
Oh, Sucky. I thought he had you. You're my best friend.